Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see various types of inheritance in Python. You have single inheritance in which you have one base class and derived class. Derived class is set to inherit the feature of base class. As you can see in the diagram, A is the base class, B is the derived class. Base class syntax doesn't change, whereas while writing the derived class, you have to give the base class name in front of it inside parenthesis. Second type of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. You have multiple classes. First class is getting inherited in the second class, and second class is getting inherited in the third class. Therefore, indirectly the feature of class A is present in class C via one level, which is B. Therefore, multi-level inheritance. Class A syntax doesn't change. Class B is inheriting the feature of class A, therefore class B in front of it in opening and closing parenthesis, you have name of the base class. Class C is inheriting class B, therefore in front of it in opening and closing parenthesis, you have B and statement of class C. Next type of inheritance is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, you have multiple base classes getting inherited in the single derived class D. So here in the diagram, A, B and C are base classes. Therefore, their syntax doesn't change. Class A, it has his statement. Class B, it has its statement. Class C, it has its statement. And finally, class D, which is inheriting A, B and C. Here D should not be there. Closing parenthesis, semicolon and its statement. Next inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. When you have a single base class and it is getting inherited in multiple derived classes, such type of inheritance is hierarchical inheritance, which is following a hierarchy. Here you can see A is getting inherited in B, the same base class A is inherited in C, same base class A is inherited in D. Syntax is A is the base class, that doesn't change, while class B is inheriting A, therefore class B in front of it in opening and closing parenthesis, you have the name of class A. Class C is also inheriting A, therefore class C in front of it in opening and closing parenthesis, you have class A colon and then its statement. Class D, it is inheriting class A, therefore colon and its statement. This was hierarchical inheritance, single base class and multiple derived classes. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of one or more type of inheritance. For example, in this case, you have hierarchical inheritance in the first case and multiple inheritance in the second case, therefore hybrid. Here class A is getting inherited in B and C, single base class is inherited in multiple derived classes, therefore hierarchical. B and C acts as a base class for class D, therefore multiple base classes are inherited in class D, therefore multiple inheritance. Syntax of class A doesn't change. A is getting inherited in B, therefore class B in front of it, opening and closing parenthesis, you have A colon and statement of class B. Class C in front of it in opening and closing parenthesis, you have A colon and statement of C because A was inherited in C. In class D, B and C is getting inherited, therefore class D in opening and closing parenthesis, you have base class B and C colon and class D statement. In the next video, we will see implementation of each type of inheritance with the example. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.